Imagine you're a lone astronaut drifting through the cosmos. Your spaceship, your lifeline, your only hope. How long could it truly last? Could it endure the relentless march of time and the harsh realities of space? The lifespan of a spaceship, like any complex machine, is influenced by a multitude of factors. From the quality of its construction to the specific mission it's designed for, every detail plays a crucial role. Let's delve into the cosmic clockwork that determines a spaceship's longevity. Key factors affecting a spaceship's lifespan. Mission duration. Short-term missions, designed for specific tasks, like lunar landings or Mars exploration. These spacecraft are often built with a limited lifespan, optimized for their primary objective. Long-term missions, orbiting Earth or other celestial bodies for extended periods. These spacecraft require robust systems and regular maintenance to ensure their longevity. Technological limitations. Battery life. Powering a spacecraft's systems is essential. Batteries, especially those relying on chemical reactions, have a finite lifespan. Fuel reserves. For spacecraft that rely on propulsion systems, fuel is a critical resource. Once depleted, the spacecraft's ability to maneuver and communicate is compromised. Space environment. Radiation exposure. The harsh radiation environment of space can degrade materials and electronic components over time. Micrometeoroid impacts. Tiny particles of debris can damage a spacecraft's outer shell and internal systems. Extreme temperatures. Space can be incredibly hot or cold, subjecting spacecraft to thermal stress. Maintenance and repairs. Remote operations. Astronauts can't easily fix a malfunctioning satellite in orbit. Ground control teams must rely on remote diagnostics and software updates. Spare parts. Having a supply of spare parts is crucial for repairs. However, launching spare parts into space can be costly and logistically challenging. Real-world examples. The International Space Station, ISS, originally designed for a 15-year lifespan, the ISS has been extended multiple times through upgrades and maintenance. Voyager 1 and 2, launched in 1977, these probes are still transmitting data from the edge of the solar system. Their long lifespan is due to their robust design and reliance on nuclear power. The future of spacecraft longevity. As technology advances, we can expect spacecraft to become more durable and long-lasting. Innovative materials, advanced propulsion systems, and autonomous repair capabilities are on the horizon. The lifespan of a spaceship is a complex interplay of factors, from its initial design to the harsh realities of the space environment. While many spacecraft have a relatively short lifespan, others, like the Voyager probes, have defied expectations and continue to explore the cosmos. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, we'll undoubtedly witness even more remarkable feats of spacecraft longevity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.